Today, I'm going to talk about a wonderful teaching platform, an AI platform meant for English teachers. It's Twee. We have the URL over here. So it's twee.com. Once we open the page, you can Google it. And once we open the page, this is the page which is displayed. We'll have the pricing, the login, sign up, and we have the testimonials over here. We also have information about what AI tools can do. Can use it for reading, writing, vocabulary, listening, speaking, and grammar. Now the pricing, we can use it for free forever. However, compared to the Twee Pro, the kind of features we have is limited. Okay? You can always make a choice. So we have 20 runs. So month for text tools. So 10 runs for media tools and 5-minute input tools. So the best part over here is deciding how much you would want to use it. So if you're going to use it for a maximum, which is going to require all this, then you would have to go into Pro. However, if your usage is going to be minimum and this is what you want in a month, you have 20 and 10 and 5-minute input media. So if that's all right, then you can try it for free. So here you can sign up for free. If you click on sign up for free, there are some options. Okay, and you have user tips, product updates, promotion, surveys, and feedbacks. Whichever you would love to select, you can select and save it as your preference. I think user tips is something which is really useful. So I'm going to save that, and of course, I'd love to give them a little bit of feedback or survey. So you can and save the preference. However, I'm going to skip for now. Okay. Now, since I already have a login ID, I've been logged in, and as you can see, I do have a free account over here. So there are a couple of projects. We have a demo thing, and we have the home. So the home is going to have these displayed. Okay, so let's look at what are the things we have in home. We have read and understand the text. So create a text based on a topic. So this is for reading. And create open questions, create ABCDs, that is MCQs and true or false, create a dialogue. And then you also have the YouTube versions. Okay, this is of course Pro, so we need to pay if you want to use the Pro, only this. However, the listening and summaries all free. The vocabulary part is also there. So these are the kind of exercises you can generate. And here we do have the grammar. So we have the scramble words, exercise, matching halves. So there's a lot, whole lot. And even to make our students speak, we have discussion questions and interesting facts on topics and list and advantages quotes. So we have a lot, means a lot over here happening, and even ideas for homework. So this is a powerful AI tool, and as English teachers, we can really use them to the maximum. The components over here. So what are the things if I just want to focus on reading or just the vocabulary part, the writing part, Okay, the speaking part, the grammar, and listening. So we have this, and of course in our home page all of this was displayed, right? So we have the projects which we can create. There are some demo projects, and I think we can add students. Okay, so to add students, we can send an invitation by email or QR code or copy invite link. But again, it could be a paid feature. I'm not very sure because I haven't added students as yet. And the plans, of course, are here. Okay, so the free one, I do have this. I don't have any information about adding students. So maybe 1 or 2 students is something we can add. Now let's try create a text on a certain topic. Fine. And we do have an entire list of Englishes we can select from. I am selecting British English. So the topic would be ask why. Okay, so this is the kind of topic I want. Okay, ask why, because I'll always like asking why should I do this, and the level of the learners. So we do have the CRF A1 and A2, B1, B2, of course, so we can choose that. Or if you're going by grades, okay, we do have the university option as well, and also the age. So you can go ahead with making a choice over here. So let's say I am looking at pre-elementary and fictional story, blog post. So let's say an informal letter. Length and range, I'll just keep it as it is. But we do have the option. I think 50 to 100 for a letter should be all right. So do the magic. Okay. So time to read. As you see, I've got a little letter over here, and because I had asked for something between 50 to 100, I have, "Hi Alex, I hope you're doing well. I have a question. Why do cats climb trees but struggle to get down? I've always wondered about this. Do you think they are just curious, or is it something else? Let me know what you think." An informal letter, okay? A letter talking about cats. I can shorten it, but I think wow. And what else? From the tools, AI also gives me a number of options. So to find facts, talk about advantages and disadvantages, or get a gap filling, ABCD, true or false questions, and other things. Let me see what I can do. Probably I'll think generating a true or false. And there I have it. So let's do the magic. Okay, so here you see with this little small letter, I wanted a true or false. I've got the true or false here, and just not the true or false, the correct answers as well. So that was very quick, something which you spend over hours, going over. And let's say I would love to have some discussion on the topic. Let's do magic. So if you have just taught the students writing informal letters and you'd like to have a discussion on the topic, these are things. So have you ever seen a cat climb a tree? What do you think of it? And why do you think animals are often curious about their surroundings? So there are a number of things which you can ask, and of course AI gives it to you in a second. We have this issue. Okay, so here. So 20 points. So time to read, and then the true or false are given. So what I did is I first put the topic, ask why, and I wanted a letter. I got a letter. I could shorten it, but since it's already short, I'm not doing it. Then I asked for true or false. I got the true or false with the answer. And then I wanted to discuss. I got the discussion. Okay. So I have this and I want to make it interactive. All I have to do is I've made it interactive. So the true or false, the students have the option of selecting the answer. So even for the discussion, the options are there to write the discussion. Okay. Now the task will not be checked automatically. You will need to provide a feedback manually. So AI tells you that as well. Okay. We cannot do that. And show correct answers, view as student. So let's say I'm going to view as a student. This is what the student is going to see. Submit answers. Okay. And show correct answers without the student view. Okay. So without the student view, you see the answer is also displayed for us. However, when we are using this particular tool, remember that you will have to always cross-check twice. Okay. And see, this task doesn't have correct answers because it depends upon the student response. And then I can actually assign it. So I can send a link, or we can generate the QR code, send it across, or copy the link and share it. If we have email addresses, we can also send an invitation also. And as you see, we have the option of sharing it to other platforms like Google Classroom and Microsoft Teams, which makes Twee even more accessible. Okay. And we have the teacher's review and completing all exercises, these options given, and the result. I've not taken anything, so nothing. And let's get back home. Now that we have seen a little bit of reading, let's say, choose the right summary. Okay, so what we have to do is, we have 3 summaries for an audio or a video. 2 of them are wrong and only 1 of the summary is right. So we have YouTube or the Vimeo URL. You can use anything. Okay, what I have done is I've taken a link from YouTube and I'm pasting it here. Let me select the age 18 plus. or probably, yeah, grade, university. Detect language automatically, of course it's going to be English, and do the magic. So here we have it. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3 passages, and the correct answer correct answer is 3. And likewise, if it's going to be interactive, I will, okay, so this is what the students are going to see. So that is the student's view. And we can assign it by link, QR, or sharing the code. We can also invite it, and it is the same. We can use it on platforms like Google and Microsoft Teams. And results, of course, we don't have anyone here right now. So results as well. We can convert the entire audio or video into text, and audio or video questions. We have a video discussion, because we have already seen discussions. I'm not going to do that. Probably, let's say gap fill. Okay, do the magic. So you see that. So that's all it took. I'm sure you have found Twee really interesting and you would love to explore it. I've used Camtasia to record this video and hope you like it. Thanks.